Here's how to lace Adidas Campus in a standard style. Start by taking hold of your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side from above. So just like this. Feed that through a little bit, pop it out the way. Swap to the other side and feed that lace end through the bottom eyelet on that side. And before you go ahead and pull that through, a cool little trick you can do is pull your two lace ends together, take a hold of your sneakers, and then just pull that lace, and it'll mean your laces will come out of equal length on either side. If there's any little twists, that's normal. Just spend a minute to do it. Looking good. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and up through the second eyelet on the left from underneath this time. So just peel back the canvas and then pull that lace through from underneath. Then we're going to swap to the left hand lace and do the exact same on the right hand side of the shoe. So find the second eyelet up from the bottom and bring that lace end up through it from underneath. Looking good. Then we're going to repeat that. Keep a hold of the lace on the right, bring it over to the left and up through the next empty eyelet from underneath. Then swap to the other lace and do the same. Bring it up through the next empty eyelet on the right. Making sure there's no twists or creases. Now remember, you can play this video at half speed or pause as much as you need to. There's no stress and there's no rush. And we're just going to keep on with the pattern. So start with the right hand lace, bring it over, up through the next empty eyelet on the left from underneath. Bring it all the way through. And then swap to the other one, bring it over and up through the next empty eyelet on the right hand side. Looking good. Now we've reached the little tongue loop, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to keep a hold of the same lace on the right hand side first of all, and we're just going to wiggle that through the tongue loop, making sure there's no twists or creases and that sits nice and flat. And then we're going to bring it up through the next empty eyelet on the left, as we've been doing. And then when you swap to the other one, we're going to make sure when it goes through the tongue loop, it's sitting nicely on top of the other lace that's already through there. Just make sure there's no twists and that's looking really crisp. Then go ahead and bring that through the next empty eyelet on the right hand side. Looking good. Now with the standard lacing style, you can continue on as we've been doing and bring the laces up through the second to last eyelet on either side. And you can go ahead and bow those as normal if that's how you want to wear the sneaker with the bow visible. But if you want a little bit of a cleaner look, do something a little bit different. So when you reach the second to last eyelet on your campus, keep a hold of the right hand lace as we've been doing. And this time when you bring it over to the left hand side, take it down into the second to last eyelet from above instead of coming up through it from underneath. Just like that. Then do the same on the other side, swap over, bring the lace in through the second to last eyelet, down into it from above on the right. And then here's a cool little trick that I like to do. Tie your bow a little bit loose and then tuck it out of sight behind the sneaker tongue. And then you can slip your feet in and out without the need for tying them up each time, and you have a standard lacing pattern that looks really crisp. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of standard lace Adidas Campus. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to inspire you guys. Thanks a lot.